Now the Barista Pro is set up. We recommend that you familiarize yourself with the various buttons and screen modes. Let's take a look at them briefly. Here, you'll find the grind size selector, the power button, LCD display, the control panel with the menu, grind amount filter size, 1 cup and 2 cup buttons, and finally, the steam dial. You can adjust a range of programmable functions on your machine. To enter program mode, press the menu button, rotate the grind amount dial to select your function. Program mode allows you to program, start the clean cycle, descale, reset defaults, shot volumes, pre-infusion duration, and shot temperature. Press menu to return to standby mode.